welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing an unboxing and a review of the FiFine C1 Lavier Lapel microphone and mini condenser mic. For recording videos and everything, you can use it with your phone. This video is a collaboration with FiFine, so I really appreciate them for that. But nevertheless, they told me that I should give my honest opinions, and I will do that. There will also be an Amazon link in the description below if you want to get one of these for yourself. So let's start with the unboxing. Got a really nice, simple box. Here is their website and social media pages, as well as a message to their customers. So you can pause and read that if you'd like. Put that off to the side. Now we have a user manual for the C1, and it shows some of the stuff you get. We'll show you everything here. Okay, there is all that if you want to see that. Okay, here we go. And here's the actual contents of the box, and right here you get a really nice pouch. I like this pouch from FiFine. Seems to be a lot of goodies in here. And sorry for butchering this unboxing experience. Oh, there we go. We got them all out. Everything out of the pouch. Okay, let's organize everything for you guys to see. Alright, we are now semi-organized, but we'll first start with the headset mic. Looks like it has a pretty nice long cable with it as well. And we'll test out both of these in the next part of this video. I'll try it on real quickly, tell you guys what I think about it. Okay, it fits a little loosely around my head, but I don't feel any strain on it. So that's good for if you want to record long videos or a podcast with it. We'll put this off to the side to go to the next thing. Right here we just have an extension cable. And this will help if you want to stay further from the microphones itself, the headset mic and the lapel mic. This will work on both of them. The cords themselves on both the lapel and the headset mic seem pretty long already, and they're definitely long enough for me, which is great. But it seems like this will help people out who want to stay farther away from the microphone. Now right here, as I was talking about the lapel mic itself, looks really nice. I like how it has the thing, of course, to put on your clothes, and it just seems very simple, looks easy to use. Definitely something that would fit my needs for sure. So there's that. We'll go on to the rest of this stuff that's in here. This is a Y adapter, so if you want to use more than one output, this is nice to use. Then we got another adapter. This is for your camera. And actually, since it does go at an angle, this is one of the better adapters for a camera. This is really nice, actually. The total package was about $25, and this seems like a really good value. And last, you have your extra tips and your extra clip. So that's really nice as well. So for this part of the video, you are hearing my current mic. And now we'll test both the lav mic and the headset mic, see which ones you guys think is better, and if there's a good improvement from my current mic. So right here, we're gonna first start off with the headset mic, and you're hearing it right now. I have it all plugged in and everything. Let me know what you guys think about this. We're gonna use this for about 30 more seconds, and I'm gonna talk about the iPhone SE because this is a very hot topic right now. This is the previous SE, and I thought it was extremely good value at the time because it was also $400 like it is now. On the newer one, this one had the internals of the iPhone 6s that we just reviewed for my budget challenge. So really nice. It's been extremely smooth when I've been trying to use this again because of the new one coming in, and we'll compare this to the new one. So let me know what you think. And we're going to conclude this part to use the lav mic, and then let me see what you think about that. Okay, so now we have the lav mic in, so let me know what you guys are thinking about this. We'll talk about the SE again. Mine's supposed to come in Friday, and that is the 24th, I believe. But whatever this upcoming Friday is, my SE is supposed to come in then. I'm going to review it for you. I'm also going to show this as a little comparison because, you know, it's cool to bring back in. I'm actually surprised how smoothly this is running right now, but I shouldn't be because it has the same internals as the iPhone 6s, which ran pretty good. But either way, I can't wait to see the SE, and I also can't wait to see what you guys think about this new microphone and the quality. I'm hoping it's going to help me up my quality. So right now, I'm going to review the rest of the tape, see which mic I like better, and then for the last part of the video, I'll use my previous mic, and then you can see another reference point to what you think was better. I'll talk about my final thoughts in there as well. Okay, so here are my final thoughts, and again, this is now on the previous audio, and I think the lav mic sounded a little bit better to me. It was also nicer to use with my current setup, and it sounds probably a lot better than the audio you're hearing here from my previous mic. So I want to thank FiFine so much for helping me up my audio game, because this really does seem like a pretty good improvement. And for my audience, go check them out. They're at a really good value. The Amazon link will be in the description. I know that we do a lot of smartphones on here, so let me include that these will not be in the box, but if you want to use it with your own smartphone, if you had a second one, which you could use as an audio recorder with the built-in systems and everything, and then you can export the file or whatever you want to do, you can use it while it's even recording if you recorded from your smartphone. You will need one of these two dongles to help, but they're not extremely expensive. And for everything you get in here, you can set up a podcast because you have a couple more mics now. And I think for a lot of smaller YouTubers like myself, it's a really cheap and good way to help improve your audio. So thank you all so much for watching. Again, I really appreciate the people at FiFine for collaborating with me on this video. And make sure to go check them out, and peace.